Track profitability on ProWorkflow Nexus. Set up hourly rates and allocate time to define your profitability parameters. Select from the list you created in the settings page. Ensure that there is a cost and a sell rate. Track time against set rate and allocated time. Show insights in project to gain full visibility of how your project is tracking. Completing an item will automatically update the insight and profitability totals. Thanks to our real-time updates, any changes made are shown across the account without having to refresh. To show the history and forecast based on input, simply click on the graph icon in each of the insight cards. You can even filter by item phases. To get a breakdown of your profit, select the information icon on the bottom right of the insight card. Want to hide sensitive data? We've got you covered. By clicking the Hide Sensitive Fields icon on the top of the page, you can quickly blur out all your financial data. Profitability information can also be found on the project list page. Start saving time and money today with profitability tracking on ProWorkflow Nexus.